Hi everyone. Hey, I wanted to come in and show you our new workshop kit. You guys remember the cut above kits that Close to My Heart used to make? Well, now they've created one, but in this one, you get to create 12 single page layouts compared to 3 double page layouts in the other cut above scenario. So I wanted to share with you. It is called Make a Memory Scrapbooking Kit. It's item number 165638. And you get everything that you need in this cute little kit to create 12 double page layouts. Plus, guys, you get so much left over. Let me show you what I've created. I've done a few modifications just to update it. You get the instructions to create. So they walk you through like the first 3 different page samples, and some of them were just a little bit too simple for me. But then they give you a bunch of alternative options, 8 more actually, right here. And I built off of these. So let me show you what I've created. All I added was maybe some dimensionals and a little bit of cardstock, but I literally used everything that they had in their kits. Oops. I'm losing all the extra stuff that's falling out of the packet, but here, check this out. I did a little bit of splattering on here, and I added some embellishments, right? That's page layout 1. So we're gonna do a photo dump here. Page 2. I added a background mat to this page, right? Added some embellishments. I believe that's all I really did to that one. But doesn't it pop? So simple to create. Here, this is an extra page that I had, and I recreated it, creating double. This was extra product that they had, and I just created some photo mats here, added again some embellishments. That is number 3. Number 4, all these tags were left over. So instead of creating the sample that they show at 3, I've added 6. You have the opportunity for 6 different photos, or you can put some journaling right inside here as well. And of course, I added some embellishments. I used very, very, very little product here. Here's another one. Added some embellishments here. Love, love, love this page. Added some journal strips right here. But other than that, this is what they've designed. And I just popped up with some dimensionals. Here is a very pretty one. I love this one. I love the colors. I love the background page. And again, I just added some dimensionals, and I popped it up with and added some embellishments. Here is the other page. I can't even remember how many pages I am right now, but we'll do a quick run through again. The little things in life. Added some journal strips here. Added a little bit of an accent here. Some of these pages are extra, so I'll have to count to see how many we have. Here's another really pretty one. Just added some embellishments, added some dimensionals. Fun together. I mean, these are great for title pages in your book. These are great when you just don't have a lot of pictures and you just need that single photo picture, right? How pretty is this? One of my favorites right here. Love this background patterned paper on here. And another one right here. This was my last one right here. How fun is that? And then, look guys, I mean, I won't even show you what fell on the floor, but I have all this extra stuff, all these extra sentiments, extra punch outs. I can definitely create more sheets right here. So let's count to see how many we have here, right? We got 1, 2, 3, Make sure I'm in the camera here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I have all the extra pieces to make extras as well. So this kit is a brand new kit, just released July 3rd. So easy to make, fun, quick, add your own little extras to it. And you've got, for $35 for the kit, you have 12 single page layouts. This weekend only, I'm offering a special. If you purchase this kit, you're going to receive a package of the new embellishments to go with it. These colors went perfect. And it's the 2024-2026 in color flat pearls. Yours free if you purchase this scrapbook workshop. So this weekend only. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy. Bye.